Hey guys, today we're talking about how to change or remove music from your Instagram posts. This is something a lot of users struggle with, because Instagram doesn't let you directly edit audio once a post is live. Once a reel or a video is posted, the content including the music is final, likely due to copyright restrictions and licensing rules. Since you can't directly replace a song, the most straightforward method is to delete the original post and upload it again with the new song. You simply go to your profile, find the post, tap the 3DOT menu, and select Delete. Then, tap the plus icon, choose the same video, select a new song from Instagram's music library, and share it. This gives you full control over the audio and lets you adjust captions, hashtags, or video edits before reposting. If you want to keep the original post but add a different vibe, another option is to share it as an Instagram story and overlay new music there. Open the post, tap Share, select Add Post to your story, then tap the sticker icon and choose the music sticker. Pick your new song, adjust its duration, and post the story. This keeps the original post intact with all likes and comments while introducing fresh audio creatively. Another approach is to mute the original audio if you just want the music removed without replacing it. Go to your post, tap the 3DAT menu, select Edit, find the music sticker, and delete or mute it. Your post will remain visible, but the sound won't play. These workarounds ensure you can manage the music in your posts, even though Instagram doesn't allow direct audio edits. Hey guys, that's it for how to change or remove music from Instagram posts.